We guarantee 5% off the lowest bid you got for your construction project. Hello everybody, my name is Isaac with Royal Construction, one of the top contractors in the West Coast. Let me tell you a little bit about our company. We actually started many years ago with smaller projects like windows, roofs, bathroom remodels, and quickly we grew to be one of the top professionals when it comes to your complex projects. ADUs, garage conversions, new construction, addition, and so on. When you approach a project like this, it can be very scary. It can also be confusing comparing 2 or 3 bids, which you probably already collected. So if you look at those bids, you don't always understand what you are getting from each of these contractors. This is where we come in to help you. Free of charge, we're offering you a free meeting to come either to our offices or we will come to your house. We will look at all those bids side by side, understanding what are you getting from each of them, and then offer you 5% of the lowest bid possible, of course, without compromising quality. After doing this with hundreds of clients, we realized that trust is key. Having a partner like us that knows what they're doing is crucial to your project. Even if you decide to go with any other contractor, at least you got free consultation. Now you understand what you're getting from that contractor. So book your meeting today free of charge, and hopefully we can make it work for you.